Our featured collection today is the Dusty Miller collection. As you can see, it's a beautiful combination of the different sizes of Dusty Miller leaves, and we have it in a garland as well as a beautiful wreath and a bush. Now, when we're creating this design in the Jovi pot, we're going to use the bush, and we're going to add in this adorable little wild rose bush. So let's get started. And there you have it. It looks like you just went out and picked the Dusty Miller and the roses and put them in a beautiful pot. So enjoy.